Recently, in an unfortunate incident with another vehicle, the handlebar on the Xpulse of a friend of mine got impacted and the handlebar ended up rotating upside down. Luckily, I was carrying some tools for the bike ride, so we solved the issue on the spot. First, using a flathead screwdriver, remove the metal caps on the bolts of the handlebar clamps. Then, using an Allen key, unscrew the bolts and adjust the handlebar. The fourth cap on the bolt was not coming out, so we did not remove it at first. But later we had to remove it because the handlebar was not getting adjusted as we expected. Finally, adjust the handlebar as per your riding posture and comfort, and tighten all the 4 bolts and put back the bolt caps. And that's how you adjust the handlebar on a Hero Xpulse. Thank you for watching.